Today I'll be presenting a quick overview of how to use Revelata's deepKPI dataset to construct a detailed revenue model for a consumer retail company. So we're going to navigate over to the deepKPI tab in Excel, click Search deepKPI, and now that the tab is open, we can search the company that we're using. Okay, so that's KMX. So for CarMax, we want to track their consolidated net sales. So let's search for their net sales, their average selling prices for each of their products, and we want to track their unit sales. Now we can click Import to Excel to actually pull all the data. Now I've arranged all of the KPIs from the raw data pull into this aggregator sheet. We will navigate to our KPI values. Since we have the KPIs together in a time series format, it makes it super easy to input all of these drivers. So we can just forecast 3% sales for the next 5 years. We can go to our previous value and then multiply it by 1 plus whatever our assumption driver is, and then we can use these values to forecast these future values. And with that, we've completed our revenue build in under 5 minutes using Revelata's deepKPI Excel add-in.